Well, here's a fun one. You guys might get a chuckle out of this one and have a few things to say. This is kind of fun. Anyway, let's look at it. Wilmington residents can have farm animals as emotional support animals in their homes. Chickens, pigs, and even oxen are now allowed with a state certification to be a Wilmingtonian's emotional support animal, so long as they stay inside the home. Councilman Nnamdi Chukwucha presented the proposal to council, and on its third reading and after some back and forth debate, it's now become a city law. The controversial measure passed in a vote 9-3 with one absent. This substitute ordinance is designed to provide residents and visitors of our city with access to the resources needed to help them alleviate and cope with emotional and mental disabilities with their support animals, explained Chukwucha. However, Chukwucha did get a little heat from some council members. Councilman Bob Williams called it a slippery slope. Wilmington has 99 problems, and cuddling a farm animal just ain't one of them, said Council Bob Williams. Once we open this barn door and the menagerie is cut loose, we can't stop it because we can't even ask the person if it's a certified animal. Wrong. You're prohibited from even asking them. Wrong. You're prohibited from asking whether there's a documented need. Wrong. We're going to put that burden on L&I, whatever that means, who is going to have a horrific time trying to prosecute these cases. Councilwoman Loretta Walsh also didn't support the measure. I really think this is a state or federal issue. I see across the country various things that's happened with other states and some type of licensing that those states have given certain individuals who have problems and how quickly they become misused, said Walsh. Chukwucha said the goal of his proposal was to keep the city in compliance with federal law, which protects only service animals under the Americans with Disabilities Act, not emotional support animals. This is a recognized need. The VA uses it every single day, said Chukwucha. This allows them to house the animals. They're not support animals, so you won't see them in restaurants, you won't see them in supermarkets or the libraries. This is about fair housing for renters and buyers. Walsh said the city has a hard enough time training police officers and ticketing people who block driveways, let alone policing farm animals as emotional support animals. The council hopes that by passing this proposal, they will have more say in the process of granting certification to citizens who need emotional support animals. Alrighty then. Well, the fear that they can't regulate this, they can't even ask, that's unfounded. Landlords can require you to provide proof that you need the emotional support animal. By association, I don't think the city or the county would be in trouble for doing the same thing. For special clearance to have these special animals. It's a reasonable accommodation. I don't think the city or the county would be in trouble for requiring the same things a landlord can require. Oxen in your house. I didn't even know that was a thing. Anyway, I thought you'd get a chuckle out of this and find this kind of interesting. They're obviously confused between the ADA and the Fair Housing Act and what they can and can't do. One would think before they pass this that they would be right on target with what they can and can't do before they pass it, because Lord knows they're going to have people doing this. And the problem with this is, and no more of a problem than with the dogs. They allow these emotional support animals. They know they're not allowed in public. The city and county knows. But these people are still going to try to take these certified or registered with the city and county emotional support animals to public places. So they'll have a lot of farm animals, chickens and ducks and geese and a partridge in a pear tree trying to be taken into the grocery store. They better be prepared for that. Anyway, your thoughts? Till next video. Bye.